Hey, it's me, Andrea, with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas. And on my husband's birthday, we went to the Cactus King and I bought this Crassula Buddhist temple, which is a really awesome hybrid of Crassula pyramidalis and Crassula perfoliata. And it was a great deal, and it came in this cute little pot. But you gotta be careful with these pots that look like they have like a built-in saucer, and so you're assuming that they have drainage holes, because why would they have a saucer if they don't have drainage holes? But yeah, the whole plant and pot, $10. I wanted to like repot this in a different pot, and when I took it out and looked, I was like, oh, there's no drainage holes. So we're gonna drill it, and I'm just gonna put it back in there for now, because I got a new plant that I want to putting in the pot. I was gonna put that in, so we're just gonna go back to square one, but we're gonna do it right with a drainage hole, and we're gonna try and do it one-handed. So we have our pot. We're gonna turn it over. We have an awesome. I really like the Milwaukee brand. They seem to last a long time, but they're not cheap. Like a $20 bit, maybe a little bit more. It's called a diamond hole saw bit. This is a half inch bit. All right. So hold your container. You do need two hands. Put that drill bit down at an angle. Got it spinning. Hold it in one little spot, right? Now, you got yourself a nice little score to follow. I'm going to come back in with some water. This helps your bit last longer. Lay it down there. I'm doing it gently. And then just rock the bit up until it's upright. It should go through pretty quick. Don't push down too hard. You don't want to crack your pot. Boom. Done. Repeat. Some of that water on there. Start your bit. Okay, we've got our score. I'm adding more water. My phone actually just shut down because it said it was too hot. Like, this ain't nothing yet. It's actually really nice today too. It's just because it's in the sun. So we've got our score. Put our drill bit in it. Pour a little more. Rock it up. Done. Ta-da. And that's going to be great. It's perfect. Let's go pot this baby back up. Hi, Lewis. Hi. Are you rolling around? Are you just rolling around? Oh. My husband, since he's like super into plants now, is always asking me for mesh for his pot. So for his birthday, I just ordered him like a bag. It's like 100 feet, and I got myself off some. So we're going to put some mesh in the bottom. That, and then I'm going to pick drainage materials. I like my, we'll start with some pumice. I don't need a ton because this is shallow. And then I will just start putting soil around this plant. And try to do it neatly, because it won't be fun to try and clean down inside all of these little leaves. Alright, give me 1 second. Okay, and then I'm going to come back in and finish it with some expanded shell. It's nice and heavy. Help hold everything in place. And we are done. And that's how you use a diamond hole saw drill bit. It's an amazing piece to have in your toolbox. Highly recommend it, and it's a lot more efficient than the little spade bits for like ceramic and tile and stuff. They are more expensive, the diamond heads, but Diamond hole saw bit, get you one. Turn anything into a pot. And now you know how to do it without the bit walking. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great week.